What's your favorite color?
I am Holly, I am a girl. My favorite color is orange.
I am Brian, I am a boy. My favorite color is yellow.
I am Hope, I am a girl. My favorite color is red.
I am David, I am a boy. My favorite color is blue.
I am Amanda, I am a girl. My favorite color is pink.
I am Travis, I am a boy. My favorite color is green.
I am Mike, I am a boy. My favorite color is gray.
I am Clara, I am a girl. My favorite color is black.
I am Daniel, I am a boy. My favorite color is white.
I am Daisy, I am a girl. My favorite color is brown.
I am Rosa, I am a girl. My favorite color is purple.
I am Nora, I am a girl. My favorite color is lilac.
I am Wendy, I am a girl. My favorite color is violet.
I am Luca, I am a boy. My favorite color is golden.
I am Amelia, I am a girl. My favorite color is silver.
Now it's your turn. What's your favorite color?